warning device. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built weather radios will be automatically activated to warn of the impending hazards. Tests of these radios and the warning alarm system will be conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If there's a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed until the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even though you're using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will only be activated for warnings and selected watches affecting the listening area.
The Northern Virginia mountain forecast for elevations above 2,000 feet, including the Skyline Drive. Rest up today, mostly.
Well, guys, that was the test. But it's not over yet because we're gonna wait for the Hawaii test. So the test is not yet around.
10 seconds.
We'll just wait. I think their test starts at a different time, guys. Yeah. But it's not over yet because we're gonna wait for the Hawaiian test. Hopefully. But that was our test. Let's see. No watches, warnings, or advisories for them. I think that starts at 11:15, guys.
Port Allen, north of 3. Leeway, west at 8. Poipu, north of 3. Kalaeloa, northeast at 4. Kahuku, west at 1. Delos, east at 8. Kaneohe Marine Base, calm. Kahului, southeast at 5. Kaho'olawe, east at 8. Upolu Point,
Yeah, that was our test. Wait, it's not over.
Partly sunny.
Wait, let's see.
Toward the state today as a front approaches the area from the northwest.
Mostly. Chester.
No. Yeah, this thing doesn't have the light lit up or anything. It just says event not known.
Today, east to southeast winds around 10 knots. Wind waves 3 to 4 feet. Northwest.
Cool, guys. This thing is neat.
Slight chance of thunderstorms and isolated heavy showers near Maui and
This radio is neat because it's special, guys. What's so special about it is that whatever alert it does. So since we had an advisory, look at this. It does the advisory sound. Let's do it like that.
wind waves 4 to 7 feet. Northwest 12.5 feet. Showers likely. Friday and Friday night. West to northwest winds 15 to 20 knots. Shifting to north Friday night. Wind waves 5 to 9 feet. Northwest 12.6 feet. Increasing to 8 feet Friday night.
Oh, this thing says event not known.
And Sunday, northeast winds 10 to 20 knots. Wind waves 3 to 6 feet. Northwest swell 8 to 9 feet, decreasing to 5 to 6 feet Sunday. Isolated showers. More detailed information is available on our webpage at weather.gov/Hawaii. Here is the surf trend forecast.
Come on, Hawaii. This is not working.
Surf along north-facing shores will be 3 to 5 feet today, increasing to 5 to 7 feet Thursday. Surf
For Richmond, mostly.
shores will be 2 to 3 feet today, increasing to 3 to 5 feet Thursday. Surf along east-facing shores will be 1 to 3 feet through Thursday. Surf along
Roanoke,
south-facing
sunny.
shores will be 1
Temperature
to
40.
3 feet today, and 2 to 4 feet Thursday. Outlook through Tuesday, January 7th. A large northwest swell arriving late Thursday night is expected.
if they don't do the test, guys, I'll just turn off the video. I just stopped the video. Not yet. Listen.
A bulletin from the Pacific Tsunami Warning Center issued at 6:11 a.m. An earthquake occurred at 6:04
Oh, earthquake!
January 2014.
Listen.
And was located near 13.9 south, 167.2 east, or in the vicinity of Vanuatu. With the moment,
Guys, Hawaii is issuing a tsunami bulletin.
a destructive Pacific-wide tsunami is not
I'm gonna make a video right now.